How's it going, everybody? In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to upload a really beautiful background image and also enable home screen slider images. Our platform allows for a great deal of customization, especially when it comes to background images. You can assign unique background images to nearly every tab and add sliding images to the home screen for a more dynamic user experience. We offer template background images that cater to various industries, and you could select from these options or upload custom images that you create. So to do this, you're going to want to go to the Edit section of your mobile app, click Design, and scroll down a bit, and this is the area that you're going to want to focus on. So right now what I'm going to do is I'm going to upload a much nicer home screen background. Now these are some ones that I've already pre-created, so I'm going to go with this one right here. And please note that the size of the home screen background is 640 by 1136. So if you wanted to create a custom home screen background, you can easily do so by creating an image of that size and just uploading it. So I'm going to update this, and now I have a nice home screen background. And we typically take care of all this for you, but if you'd like to take a crack at it yourself, you can easily do so. Now, when it comes to slider background images, there's a couple things to know. So right now I'm dragging over some ones that I've already created that complement the home screen that I had created. So if I wanted to explain how this works, so 640 by 1136, I'm going to open up Photoshop to show you how to create a background sliding image, because this image right here is a full-size image, but it has to be a PNG with a transparent background, so it sits on top of your home screen image, if that makes sense. So what I'm going to do is open up Photoshop, create a new image, (640 by 1136). And so think of this as kind of like your canvas. And so from here, maybe I want to go back to the builder and maybe add in some sort of food, which I can easily do. So I'm going to go ahead and type in food, whoops, food images, whoops, food images. And from here, I'm just going to grab something that, I'm just going to grab a random image. So I'll grab this, copy it, and pull it over into my app. I'm going to want to resize it down so it doesn't cover the logo of the business. And maybe we'll have it sit right here. And that looks pretty good. So I'm going to go ahead and apply this. And what you want to do from there is now delete the background image so you get that transparent background right there. So I'm going to go ahead and save this as a PNG. Because if you don't save it as a PNG, you're going to have that white look in the background, and you don't want that. So I'm going to go ahead and upload this image. Let's go back to the front to upload an image. Background image. And so I just added this one right here. And so I'm going to move it to the front, or I'll leave it in the back. But then we have a bunch of different animations. So I'm just going to show you these ones right here. So I just set it to manual. So I'm going to go ahead and preview this right here. And now to move these, I'm going to need to swipe them with my finger. Now the last one I just created, do you notice how, again, I created it in a way where it's transparent so it doesn't cover up the white area, and I'll show you what happens if you don't save it as a PNG. So if I just save this as a JPEG, you're not going to have that transparency and it's not going to look so good. And I'll show you how that would look. So the app's looking pretty nice with what I have in place, but I'm going to go ahead and show you what not to do as well. So I'm going to change out this one for this full white feature that's not a transparent background. And this time I'm also going to show you the fade feature as well. So I'm going to go ahead and update that, hit save, pull out the preview tool. And again, always remember that you can preview on your device. So scan one of these QR codes and it'll take you to our preview app so you can preview it on your actual phone or mobile device. But here we go. So this is how things are going to look. So you'll see the image is fading, and the ones fading right now have a transparent background at the top. But then when we get to the fifth one, things are going to get wacky. See how it's just totally white now? That's something you definitely want to avoid. So when setting these up, always remember to use a transparent background. Otherwise, you're going to be seeing that big white space that's going to take over the background of your home screen image. So another really cool thing that you can do as well is you can link these to any sort of feature within your app. You can link this to rewards. We can link this image to reviews. And I'm also going to show you the parallax fading as well. So I'm going to save this. We'll go ahead and preview this. So just showing you, we can definitely make you a very custom looking application for your business. Now look at the fading effect and how it's a little bit different. It slowly slides. And it also has kind of like a transition towards the top, which is pretty cool. But now I can click these and it'll take me to any feature in the app. So what's really cool use cases I've seen for this is when we develop mobile apps for businesses and we have a sliding home screen that says join our loyalty program front and center, and we link that to a certain feature, and it allows the user to quickly navigate to that feature. So definitely utilize animated sliders and definitely upload a beautiful home screen, and your customers will definitely be very pleased with your mobile application and think you spent hundreds of thousands of dollars on it when we really built it for you at a fraction of the cost. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and I look forward to seeing you guys create beautiful mobile applications. Thanks.